Welcome to the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of Father C. Rodrigues Institute of Technology, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. We offer undergraduate program, postgraduate program and PhD program. Currently we are affiliated to the University of Mumbai. However, by the year 2022, we plan to become autonomous. Our strength of the department is teaching and non-teaching staff and our students. Our teachers are highly qualified, they are self-motivated and they are hardworking and they effectively implement the teaching learning process for the students. Our students are sincere and they engage in co-curricular and extracurricular activity actively. Coming to the achievement of the department, our department has been accredited thrice in the past by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. Recently, in 2018, we got NBA accreditation for the 3 years. Also, our department has received a research grant worth Great Britain pound 50,000, that is equivalent to 50 lakh rupees, from the Royal Academy of Engineering, UK. If you are a student and planning to join Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering department, I would advise you to confirm that you are self-motivated to join engineering and in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering particularly, and you should be self-motivated to work beyond college hours for implementation of various projects and for active participation in technical paper presentation competitions. Thank you.
Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering has excellent infrastructure and ambience to facilitate teaching learning process and extra and co-curricular activities. Our classrooms are ICT enabled with smart boards and LCD. There are 9 laboratories that include 3 computer labs, 1 R&D lab and 2 project labs. All labs are well equipped with latest software and hardware like network analyzer, experimental setups for optical communication, microwave engineering, antennas and communication. We have a 140 square meter seminar hall where our co-curricular and extracurricular activities, seminars, etc. are conducted. Well-maintained common areas include boys and girls common rooms. The central library has vast collection of books and e-journals. Students have access to central sports facilities which are among the best. All these facilities help in all-round grooming of our students.
Hello, I am Megha Kolekar. I am going to tell you something about the innovative teaching learning methods adopted by the department. Apart from the traditional chalk and board seminars and PPTs, etc., the departmental faculty goes in for video lectures, wherein students are exposed to good quality videos. Group discussions, where students have a brainstorming session, exchange ideas, and the group discussion is moderated by the faculty. Group learning, where students learn a particular topic from each other in an informal setting, sitting in groups. Think, pair and share, where students on the same bench exchange their thought processes to come to a solution. Then there is flipped classroom, where classwork is at home, homework is at class through quality resource material provided by the instructor. Then there are poster presentations, where students make nice creative posters to convey their idea. And there are methods to check concept clarity like the Mentimeter, Kahoot, and Flickr. Apart from this, there are software and hardware course projects so that students experience what they have learned in the classroom. Alumni are invited to exchange the ideas with the current students. The faculty keep engaged in research activities. The department has very recently received a grant of around 7 lakhs from DRDO to carry out a 1-year project for NMRL. The faculty has quality publications in good reputed journals also. All in all, the department believes in good research and practicing good innovative teaching learning methods in order to bring out the best in our students. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Pranali Chaudhary and I'm here to talk about the various co-curricular platforms available in the department as well as the institute. At the department level, we have 3 student associations, IIT, ETSA and SEED. IIT ETSA conducts various competitions such as robotics, circuit making, judgment day, which is a mock placement activity. In order to bridge the gap between the curriculum and the industry, it also conducts various expert talks. Mini project competitions are conducted every semester, which is also judged by the industry experts. The third association, that is SEED, was established with an objective of creating an awareness among the students about the various environmental and ethical issues in the society. and also to enlighten them about their responsibility in eradicating them. This council involves the students in various activities such as e-waste collection, firefighting, innovative talks on stress management, sustainability, projects related to the environment, and so on. Our students have also taken up the activity of teaching the students of standard 8, 9th and 10th from various slums and our Bal Bhavan. At the institute level, the students can be a part of various clubs such as the Artificial Intelligence and Deep Learning Club, the Coders Club, the Agnel Robotics Club, and so on. This gives them a platform to interact with the other department students, and then collectively they can participate in various international as well as national activities. At Agnes, we believe in overall holistic development of our students, and we leave no stone unturned to achieve it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Savita S. Upadhyaya, Assistant Professor in the EXTC department. I'm here to highlight a few points on the results, placements, and alumni of our EXTC department. The university examination results of our EXTC department has always been very good. The credit of which goes to our students who are motivated by the efficient and dedicated faculty who not only impart their knowledge through regular teaching but also inculcate many innovative ways in their teaching. The passing percentage of our students keeps improving as the batch promotes from the second year to the third year and then the final year. It is observed that in the final year, the passing percentage has always been greater than 95% over the years. I feel proud to say that some of our students are university rankers too. Next, regarding the placements of the EXTC department, about 80 to 90% of the students who are eligible, meaning who satisfy the criteria of different companies, are placed. About 20 to 25% of our students opt to pursue higher studies. Our EXTC students are recruited by top companies like the Tata Consultancy Services TCS, L&T Infotech, Select Control, Geo, etc., with TCS being our prime recruiters. To further improve the placements, training programs are being conducted by the Training and the Placement Cell for the third year students. Also, continuous and conscious effort is being made by our department to attract core companies for placements. Next, regarding our alumni, it gives me immense pleasure to say that we have our alumni working in all sectors across the globe, like in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, as faculty in prestigious institutions like IIT, owners of startup, business, and many such more. I would like to mention here that our alumni contribute to improve the performance of our department in various ways, like delivering lectures and sharing their experiences and also their technical understandings with our current students, by guiding and evaluating the final year projects, by judging project competitions, and in many other ways too. We indeed are grateful and proud of them. Thank you.